train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the Super! Super duper! Match the colour of the passengers by dragging them from the platform to the square of the same colour. Well done! That was off the rails! Let's go find that toy! Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we help pull? Well done! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Good job!